Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add two-step verification on your LinkedIn app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn app. So just go up here, you will click here on this picture here, then it's going to show for you a window like this, and you click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, just waiting to show for you like this, then you click here on sign in security, you will click, then it's going to take you here in this window, then you click here on to step verification, you will click here, so then you click here on set up, and you add your phone number or unique to app here, and you click when you choose, you click here on continue, and it's going to add with you on your LinkedIn app. So that's all you have to do to add step verification on your LinkedIn app. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.